We are back again with Photoshop tutorials. Today our lesson is HDR toning. We are going to learn how to apply HDR toning in Photoshop. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe to the channel. You are old. If you are old on this channel, thank you for subscribing and always returning to watch my tutorials. Let's go straight to Photoshop so that I teach you how to apply HDR toning. There are two ways to apply HDR toning. So let's go straight to Photoshop. And apply HDR toning in Photoshop. First of all, let us pick our picture. This is a picture that we are going to use for HDR toning. See how the picture is. The picture is very clear. So let's go to our tools and start applying our HDR toning. First of all, you go to your keyboard, press Ctrl J to duplicate the picture twice. Unlock the padlock, then delete this layer. Now select the first layer. Then go to filter. Select high pass. You see, this is how we are going to apply our first HDR toning. Now, our radius is on 8.0. You can decide to keep it on 8.0 if you want to. So let's press OK. Now we go to overlay. See how our picture has become. This is our HDR toning. These are the difference. This is our HDR toning. If you feel what you have done on the picture right now has become more artificial, you can go back, delete, then duplicate again. Then you go back to filter again. Then you reduce it. Reduce the radius. Now you see there's a difference in what we did at first. Still, if you feel it feels like artificial, then you can reduce the opacity. Now you see our picture has become an HDR tone, more sharp. It has become more sharper and very nice. You can choose to increase it. Now let's go back to our second tip for HDR toning. Our second tip is just an easier thing. They are both easier, but one is more easier to do. So let's Ctrl J to duplicate once again. You go to image, then image. You go through the option, then you select HDR toning. This is simple here. This script has appeared. You press OK. Now here you are going to adjust the picture to your liking. Now you can increase the vibrance. This is details. You can increase the details or reduce it. You can adjust the curves. See how HDR toning. Now you can choose to reduce it. You can play with it to get what you want. You see, this is also very nice. If you see it, this is how it is. HDR toning. We are on HDR toning today. This is also very nice. If you are here on this channel, you can click the subscription button to subscribe, and click the bell so that you can get notifications, so that every lesson or every tutorial that we drop, you can get more videos. Thank you for watching my tutorials for today.